Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Shein app not loading. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Shein app. Now tap on app info, and now tap on storage usage option on the top, and here tap on clear storage, clear cache and then tap on clear data, and now okay. Now close it and go to Google Play or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Then tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Tap on search bar on the top and here type Shein. And now okay. Now simply tap on update option to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.